So using a credit card to purchase goods or services guarantees you safety of that purchase. Using a debit card to pay for goods and services, there is nothing wrong with it, but there's everything wrong with not using a credit card. I have to introduce you to the best travel credit card ever. Leave it, okay? Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Dale here and I am your captain. If you're seeing my face for the first time, thank you so much for joining. I hope you love my content enough to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Do not forget to like this video if you find this video useful. Today I am going to be telling you about the very important reasons why you should get a credit card. Hang on, not only getting a credit card, getting a good credit card, and also how you can maximize your credit card to your benefit. Having a credit card in a first world country is one of the first things you should do immediately you arrive. I know. It's like, why do I need a credit card? I was like you as well. I mean, to be fair, initially I was like, why do I have to get a credit card? If I can't afford it, I don't need it. I still have that mentality and I am still going with that mentality, and I think that's one thing that have allowed me to use my credit card in a very nice manner. The very first benefit, which I think everyone should know by now, is the fact that having a credit card helps you build a good credit score. I have a full video about how to build a credit score and the importance of having a good credit profile in the UK. I'm going to leave the link in the description box as well. Go and watch that video on how to build your credit score and the importance of credit score. I am not going to be talking about credit score in this video. I'm just going to focus on credit cards, okay? So that's the very first thing. It helps build your credit score, which is very important if you're living in a first world country. The second reason why you should use a credit card is the fact that you get cash back for your purchases in some places. Now, it is not cash back for every single thing you use. However, in some places like Asda, Aldi, Lidl, and some of your favorite shops like Pretty Little Things, Shein, and all those places, you get cash back on some days. Now, it is not every day. It is most days you get cash back on. So you have to read your policy or get them to send you notification whenever there is a cashback deal. So what it means is that during a set of period, if you purchase any goods or services in a particular place, you get a certain percentage back. For example, if you buy a dress from Pretty Little Thing for £20, after your purchase, you're going to get £5 back. That is an example, okay? So that is one benefit of using a credit card. However, if you're using a debit card, you will not get a cashback for anything, for any reason, okay? So that is one benefit of using a credit card. You get cashback for your purchases or services. Another very important reason why you need a credit card is the fact that you are able to avert a fraudulent activity in your account quicker and faster with a credit card, okay? So as I have said, what is a credit card? A credit card is basically just like a little card you're giving. It's like your debit card, it's like your everyday bank card, okay? It's not something out of the blues. So it is like your everyday credit card. However, it has money that it's not yours. So alaye, return the money when you use it.
It's not my business though. But let's be guided. Please, wisdom.
When you apply for a credit card, you are given a certain amount of money depending on your credit profile. So the very first time I entered the UK and applied for a credit card, I got £450, which is very low, okay? That's because I did not have a credit profile at all. But now, if I tell you how much credit I have been given, you would know that Chalet, I'm not come to play for UK. You have to start small, but as it goes further, you get good credit from your bank, okay? So it's a free money, but it is not free. You need to return it on time. So because the money in the credit card is not yours, and whenever there's a fraudulent deals in your account, when you receive an alert that someone has withdrawn so amount of money, or you've purchased something in this online shop and you know that you have not done that purchase, you can easily call your credit company to say, hey, look, it's not me. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Or sometimes the credit companies, they are really smart. They can detect fraudulent activity and block your card immediately. Okay, so that is one thing. There was a time I went to Malta and I had my card blocked because of how much I've spent, and they were like, what's happening? I had to call them and verify my identity and all that, but they allowed me to use my credit card again. Okay, so that is one thing. You are able to avert fraud quicker with a credit card as compared to a debit card or cash. So using a credit card to purchase goods or services guarantees you safety of that purchase. At this point, I have to introduce you to the best travel credit card ever lived. Okay, like I said before, it's not enough to get a credit card, but it is good to get a good credit card. Now, I will recommend to you British Airways travel card. It is also called Amex, AMEX. So it's like an American Express card, but in the UK, we use the British Airways travel card. It's have an affiliate with the American Express, so we use the British Airways travel card. Okay, I have a link in my description box. All you have to do is to click the link and try and apply. Once you are approved, you get what we call avios points. Now, avios points can be used to get yourself free flights if you gather enough points. I have a dedicated video for this as well. I'm going to leave it in the description box as well on how to get cheap flights. So you might want to check that video out as well. Back to Amex card. This card allows you to accumulate points as you use the card. So for every time I fly, I get points back. For every time I use that card to purchase goods and services, I get points back. If I have a certain amount of points, I am able to upgrade my flight to business class or book a fresh flight with those points. So this is me traveling smart, making money back, and also enjoying life.
Definitely, I'm here to enjoy life. I'm not here to suffer. I'm not here to
I will definitely travel anyway. So if I have a company that pays me back for the travel I have done, why not? So this is it, guys. Using a debit card, there's nothing wrong with using a debit card to pay for your travels or to pay for goods and services. But why would I not use a card I'll get good benefits from and still enjoy the same thing I would definitely buy anyways, than using a card I will not get any benefits from using?
It means words of wisdom.
What? Wisdom.
I don't know who is dumb.
Wow!
About it, think.
Using a debit card to pay for goods and services, there is nothing wrong with it. But there's everything wrong with not using a credit card when you can get all these benefits. Okay, I know most people say, oh, you need to pay back and all that. Yes, pay back. So I don't travel if I don't have the available money in my debit card. Okay, so guys, I'm not telling you to go into unnecessary debts just to get points and all that. If I am traveling, I already have that money in my account. So not a credit card, guys. Deo is not teaching you how to use all your money to travel. No. Example, if you want to go to Asda to buy groceries for £100, you already have that money in your debit card, right? Good and fine. The next thing you want to do is to use your credit card to purchase those goods for £100, exactly £100. And all you have to do is to transfer the money you already have in your debit card into your credit card. So it's just like you still spending the money you have, but you're using your credit card. That is smart spending, okay? Smart spending and smart traveling if you're using it to buy flights. Another benefit of having a credit card is that you can use it for your insurance. Some credit cards offer you insurance, so it's a good avenue to get a travel insurance, life insurance, home insurance, and a lot of insurances. Another benefit of having a credit card or using a credit card is if you go abroad, if you're going to rent a car, they do not accept a debit card, okay? Eventually, you've pleaded with them for a long time and they decide to pardon you. They are going to charge you more if you pay with a debit card, okay? So I experienced this with Malta. That is why I know for a fact that when you are going to rent a car, you need a credit card to pay, because they have damage deposit just in case you damage the car or anything happens to the car. They're able to get the money back from your credit card. So if you present to them a debit card, you'll be charged more, and someone will reject your application and deny you access to their rented vehicle. Traveling with a credit card is very important. Please get yourself Amex travel card. I hope with this point of mine, I've been able to convince you to get a credit card and to use it smartly. Also, do not forget that I have a link. Use my link to get your next travel card and tell me about your experience in the comment section. If you already have a credit card, do you enjoy these benefits? Because I am aware that not all credit cards gives these benefits. If not, please use British Airways travel card for your best credit advantages. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you love my content enough to hit the like button, subscribe. You guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.